Watch these videos and shorts. The scenes and captions were all made using Revid AI. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to create your own amazing content in just minutes. So let's get started. First, head over to Revid.ai. You'll find the discount link right down in the description. On the homepage, click Sign Up. Once you're logged in, you'll land directly on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see three main options. You can search for viral videos, generate scripts for your shorts, or start creating your own videos from scratch. You can even connect your social media accounts and let Revid automatically post your videos later using auto mode. One quick thing to keep in mind, exporting your videos does require a paid plan. But the good news is, you can try out all the features for free first, which is perfect if you just want to explore and see if it's the right fit for you. If you scroll down a bit, you'll also find a section showcasing videos made by other users. It's a great way to get some inspiration and see what's possible with Revid AI. Now, to start creating your first video, click the Create New Video button. I'm going to begin by trying out the short video tool first. Here, you can either type your own script or auto-generate one using the built-in script generator. For this example, I've already copied a script from ChatGPT. It had a voiceover header at the top, which I removed just to make sure Revid doesn't get confused when processing. A quick tip for you. When you're writing your own script inside Revid, it's best to keep your sentences short and punchy. It really helps the voice generation sound a lot more natural and engaging. If you want to guide the visuals without affecting the voiceover, just add instructions inside brackets, like I did here. You can also insert pauses by typing the break time in seconds wherever you want a natural break in your script. Another cool feature here is the rewrite toggle. If you turn it on, the AI can rewrite, shorten, expand, or make your script more engaging automatically. Just a heads up, though, it's a premium feature, so you'll need an upgraded plan to use it. And if you don't want to type everything manually, no problem. You can pull content directly from a blog post, YouTube video, or other sources to speed things up. Once your script is ready, Revid will show you the estimated video duration at the bottom, which is super helpful to get a sense of how long your short will be. Next, you'll choose a video preset. There are presets like Pixar, 3D render, sci-fi, and more. You can also specify a general style if you want, but it's totally optional. After that, it's time to pick a voice for the video. You can choose one from Revid's voice library, record your own, create a cloned voice, or even link a voice from ElevenLabs. For this example, I'm using Daniel's voice from the Revid library. Then comes the background audio. You can choose music from their built-in library, upload your own track, or generate brand new music. Personally, I like keeping the video clean and focused, so I'm skipping the background music for this one. Right below the Generate Video button, you'll see the estimated number of credits it'll cost to create your video, based on your selections. Once everything looks good, just click Generate Video. It usually takes just a few minutes, depending on how long the video is. And here's the video we've created. As you can see, it's super engaging, just like the YouTube shorts we all end up watching while scrolling. You can also tweak the caption styles to match your vibe even better. From here, you can upload the video directly to TikTok or export it, but that will require a premium subscription. Alright, next up, let's take a look at how the YouTube Long to Short tool works. First, open the YouTube Long to Short tool from the dashboard. Then, paste in the URL of the YouTube video you want to use. For this example, I'm pasting a link from a podcast episode. Once the video loads, you'll see a few options to customize how you want your short clips to come out. You can choose to auto-reframe the video into a vertical format, perfect for making it mobile optimized for shorts and reels. Just a heads up. Enabling auto-reframe will use 10 extra credits. After that, you can specify what part of the video you want to extract, just like I'm doing here. You can also set how many clips you want Revid to generate. Basically, you're telling it how many short videos you want pulled from the full video. I'm leaving this setting as it is for now. There's also an option to add B-roll, where the AI layers in extra footage automatically to make your video look more dynamic. One feature I really like is the AI summary. Instead of manually cutting clips yourself, Revid can actually create a voiceover summary of the video for you. For this one, I went with the AI summary option because it keeps things simple and still captures the important parts of the episode. If you want even more control, there's also an advanced settings section. Here, you can tweak the aspect ratio, choose your caption style, adjust the caption placement, and even pick the type of animation you want for your final video. For this demo, I kept most of the settings at their defaults just to show you how easy and fast the process is. Once you're happy with everything, just click Generate Video. Revid will handle the processing and deliver your short clips in just a few minutes. And here we go, check this out. It's super good and highlights the key moments from the original content perfectly. Next, I'm going to show you how to turn music into a video. Open the Music to Video tool from the dashboard. Here, you can either upload a music file directly or paste a link from platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, and others. For this one, I'm uploading a music file directly from my computer. Once the file uploads, you'll see a few options to customize your video. First, you'll choose the type of media you want to use. You can let the AI generate visuals automatically, pick from stock footage, or upload your own images and clips if you want something more personalized. Then, you'll select the screen ratio. If you're making a mobile-friendly video for shorts or reels, 9:16 is usually the perfect choice. There's also an option to add a sound wave visualizer. Just toggle the Add Sound Wave setting if you want that dynamic effect where the visuals move with the music. You can also choose how the video syncs, either with the lyrics or with the beats of the track. After that, you'll pick a video generation preset. For the audio settings, make sure to select No Music because your uploaded track is already being used as the main audio. If you want to customize things even further, you can head into Advanced Settings. Once everything looks good, just click Generate Video. And here's the result. The music I uploaded was instrumental only, but if you upload a track with lyrics, Revid will automatically generate captions for you, kind of like what it does with its captioning tool, which I'm going to show you next. To add captions to a video, open the Add Captions to Video tool from the dashboard. Upload the video you want to caption, and you'll see a few settings you can tweak. At first, I chose the auto aspect ratio, thinking it would automatically adjust based on the original video. The video I uploaded was already 16:9, so I figured it would stay the same, but as you can see here, it didn't turn out quite right. It was at 9:16, and the framing felt a little off, almost like the camera wasn't focusing properly on the host anymore. So I went back, manually selected the 16:9 aspect ratio, and after that, everything lined up much better. For this video, I also repositioned the captions to appear at the bottom of the screen. It looked a lot cleaner and made the whole thing feel better and engaging. So, before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about Revid AI's pricing plans. They offer flexible plans for creators and businesses, and if you choose annual billing, you get 2 months free. The Growth Plan, which is their best value, gives you access to over 60 creation tools, AI video and voice generation, social publishing, custom voice recording, and 2,000 credits a month. It's a great choice if you're serious about growing your content. And the best part? You can try all the tools for free, no credit card needed. Just click the link in the description to get started. And for another cool tutorial to stay ahead in the AI race, check out this video next.